Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad raita. This delightful Indian condiment is incredibly easy to prepare and adds a cool, creamy balance to any meal. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including crisp cucumber, juicy tomatoes, and a creamy plain yogurt. You'll also need a few common spices like roasted cumin powder and a touch of black salt to enhance the flavors. Let's get started on this simple, yet delicious recipe. Now, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Take one medium cucumber, wash it thoroughly, and then either grate it finely or chop it into tiny pieces. Next, dice one small onion and one medium tomato into equally small, consistent pieces. A crucial step for a thick raita is to gently squeeze out any excess water from the grated cucumber. Finally, finely chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro and a few mint leaves for that vibrant, aromatic touch. It's time to bring all our wonderful ingredients together. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 2 cups of plain, full-fat yogurt and whisk it until it's beautifully smooth and lump-free. Now, gently fold in your finely chopped cucumber, onion, and tomato. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and about 1/2 teaspoon of black salt. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder can be added. Mix everything thoroughly. Our salad raita is almost ready. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning as per your preference, perhaps a little more black salt or roasted cumin powder. Carefully transfer your delicious raita into a nice serving bowl. Now, for the final flourish, generously garnish it with the freshly chopped cilantro and mint leaves we prepared earlier. For the best flavor and a truly refreshing experience, chill the raita in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.